afternoon, and welcome to the Sunnyside rededication ceremony. Out of caution for safety during the COVID-19 pandemic, we have pivoted to a virtual presentation in lieu of in-person. Sunnyside opened in 1998, and this is the first major renovation for the building. On behalf of the Sunnyside family, we welcome and thank you for watching our dedication of this beautiful building. Now we will have a few words from Dr. Shawn A. Smith, Superintendent of Lawrence Township Schools, and Mr. Reginald McGregor, School Board President.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Shawn Smith, Superintendent of Schools. On behalf of the Board of Education and the faculty staff of Lawrence Township, I'm honored today to celebrate the rededication of Sunnyside Elementary. Ladies and gentlemen, our Blue Ribbon Facility Plan is being executed with precision. As a part of that was the renovation of Sunnyside Elementary. It's been over 20 plus years since our last renovation, and we're so excited today that we can celebrate with each of you this important endeavor. This building has been renovated from top to bottom and is a beautiful reflection of our students and our community. So join me, ladies and gentlemen, in celebrating this beautiful day in this beautiful building. At this time, I'd like to turn it over to some important people. The Board of Education is responsible for the overall approval of all construction projects. So I'd like to, at this time, to introduce the Board President, Mr. Reginald McGregor, as we continue this celebration.
Good afternoon to all. On behalf of the Lawrence Township School Board, we want to thank all our partners and families for their support and their patience in the renovation project of this facility. As a board, we are proud of the external and internal improvements that ensure that our facilities are safer and that we have the cutting edge technology to continue to prepare our students for all their future endeavors. Again, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Smith and Mr. McGregor. Now please join us for our Sunnyside virtual tour.